Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about another business idea, and which is going to be Zobo drink. So this is our Zobo leaf. We are going to wash it. That is the first thing to do before cooking it. You need to wash it briefly in order to remove the dust from it. You don't allow it to stay too long in the water. The next thing is to transfer it into our pot. Add your cinnamon sticks. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of cloves to it. My next recipe here is ginger. I've washed it, but I will need to crush it before adding it to the Zobo. So I'm done crushing it and I'm adding it to the Zobo on the fire. So I like adding pineapple peel to my Zobo, and this is the process I take whenever I want to add the pineapple peel. I will take my time to wash it very well. Soak it in white vinegar for a few minutes and then bring it out and slice this way. After slicing it, then I add some of the pineapple peel. I'm not going to add all the peel at once. I'm going to boil the remaining peel in another pot, in another separate pot. And after boiling it, I will extract the water and then add it to my Zobo juice whenever I'm done cooking the Zobo. After sieving the Zobo, I will also sieve the pineapple peel in the other pot and then add it together. And this makes it to have this natural sweet taste. So whenever you have pineapple in the house and you want to cook Zobo, please don't discard the pineapple peel. It is highly medicinal and it also adds this sweetness to your Zobo drink. You can also add lemongrass to your Zobo, but these are what I have available for today's Zobo. Now my Zobo, after boiling for 45 minutes, I'm going to strain it. I'm doing double straining because I don't want to see any particle in my Zobo. So I got this strawberry flavor. I was supposed to buy Jolly or cola flavor, but because I did not find cola and Jolly flavor, I had to buy this strawberry. Though it is not bad, but if you are making your Zobo for business, the best flavor is cola or Jolly flavor. Then I'll be adding my vanilla flavor. This is also optional. If you are making your Zobo for business, you do not need to add the vanilla flavor, except if you get people that will pay you well, so you won't be at loss because everything is so expensive. But if you find yourself selling your Zobo in a nice environment where people don't care about the prices, why not add enough flavor to it? You can even add enough vanilla flavor. You can also add watermelon juice, beetroot juice. You can also add enough recipe to make it more flavored and rich if you know you are going to sell it and make your profit. But if you are living where you know people are mindful of the prices and not the quality, you need to reduce the quantity and the recipe of things you use for your Zobo. Please, when adding any flavor of your choice, don't forget that mixing it is very important. You mix it very well until everything is well combined. And so this is what I got after dissolving the strawberry flavor. It's not too bad, but this is not the best flavor for Zobo, but it's still okay. So mix it well until everything is well combined. Just make this juice rich. You will be amazed with the way people will patronize you, because people are going for natural juice these days more than the artificial juice we used to know. So now I will be adding my vanilla flavor and then mix it well again. So the next thing I did after 5 hours was to bottle it and refrigerate it. And this is our Zobo after about 8 to 9 hours. I left it overnight in the freezer, and this is what we have. These are new bottles. I got 2 dozens of this bottle. You can also make sticker if you want your business to showcase itself. You can also make sticker, then label these bottles for more attraction. See you some other time in my next video. Bye bye.